Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today is the moment of truth. Do we keep BeautyFix or we kick it to the curb? Help me decide. So this is my third and final BeautyFix box as part of my subscription that I got a 3-month subscription for. The other videos I've done, we've talked about real value versus perceived value on these. And again, my issue with BeautyFix is not that they only that they're mostly samples, or what they send is that they promise $100 value and can't prove it. So I may just have to overlook the promise and go with just what I have versus what it costs, because it's a really good value for the box. It's not an expensive box. The box is $24.95 a month. You can get it in 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. When I got it, I got a discount on my first 3 months, so I got them for $20 a box. So if I do sign back up, decide to keep the subscription, it's gonna cost me more than the $20. So $24.95 a month. And what you're gonna get is 5 or more products, full and deluxe travel size products. And again, it does claim $100 total retail value. So I'm going to ignore that part unless they can, just so I can have a happier night. But so $24.95 for 5 or more products. And let's see what we got in maybe our last box. And I apologize for the sun. I'm filming this in the late afternoon after work. The sun and the light will just kind of be an issue, but let's see what we got in our BeautyFix by Derm store. Okay, so first we have a pretty full box, which is comparative to the last ones have been a little on this very small product side. So far so good. Our first thing is from Babor, B-A-B-O-R, and this is Ampule Concentrates Hydra Plus. And this is for dry, dehydrated skin, multi-dimensional hydration, plumping, and there are 7 ampules in here. And an ampule is just an individually portioned product. So you don't have to, you don't have to measure it out. And there's one that has the applicator top and the rest are ready to load up. So I haven't ever used this, and I want to say this has to be a full-size product. I can't imagine this not being. And if it's daily use, that's a week's worth. This says a lot of things in a lot of different languages, so I'll figure it out later. But we do have a hydration product here as for one item. The next one is from Jane Iredale, I-R-E-D-A-L-E, and this is Hydra Pure Hyaluronic Acid. Oh, this is a lip gloss. I don't know that we've ever got what could be considered a makeup product in this box. It's primarily skincare. So this is a lip, oh, it's got color, definitely a full size. And it's a pretty peachy pinky color, almost a salmon color. I like that. You guys, they might be winning me over. Let's see. That feels really nice, and it's a nice color. What do you think? Can I wear it? Let me know. I like that one. Okay, so far, you guys, they might be converting me. We have an R & Co dry shampoo. I've used this exact product in this size before from getting it from another subscription box. I really, really like it, so I'm excited for that one. This is a great one to keep at work at your desk if you need to freshen up halfway through the day. This one we got in our first box, and honestly, I haven't figured out what exactly to do with it yet. And this is Hydra Bright Intensive Brightening Hydration. So this seems to be a hydration heavy box, which is not a bad thing. The next thing I can tell is Elemis. We got a little sample of the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which I do love, and I have a few full sizes of this from the FabFitFun boxes. And actually, an Allure box sent us a full size of that, which was amazing. but this is a great one to keep. I like to keep these kind of things by my bed. If I have gotten in bed and don't want to get back up and I've forgotten to treat my face and put on some moisturizer and different things, I can reach in my little bedside stand and grab a couple things, put them on my face, feel better in the morning about myself. So nice hair sample there. The last thing in here is an MZ Skin, and this is an anti-pollution hydrating face mask. And this has got to be one of the biggest face masks, packages at least, that I have ever seen. It's really big. It's big. So that is very nice. And based on, it just has, this is anti-pollution. Before using, remove the front and back panels of the mask. Gently place it on your face and wear it for 15 minutes. So very nice. So a full-size mask. We got, you guys, I might have to resubscribe. I like this box a lot. This was a good box. And you know, if you've watched my channel at all, I am very opinionated about BeautyFix, but I will always give credit where credit is due, and credit is due on this box. This is a good one. Probably going to resubscribe. We'll find out in April if I got another subscription or not. Hopefully it's not too late to get signed back up to get the next box, but I like this one. Good box, BeautyFix. They fixed it. I can't even stand it. Okay, I'm not mad about it either, you guys. I gotta love a good box. So not bad at all for the March BeautyFix box. Let me know what you got in yours. Did everybody get the same things? I think we all get the same things, but I'm liking it. I'm gonna resubscribe. They won me over. Thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Please hit subscribe and like and hit the notifications bell. Share my channel with friends and family you think might enjoy this channel as well. I'd really appreciate the support to help grow the channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.